Hello everyone, how are you doing today? Today we're going to learn about is and are, which are part of the verb to be. អរុណសួស្តីបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាសុខសប្បាយជាថ្ងៃនេះយើងនឹងសិក្សាអំពីការប្រើកិរិយាសព្ទ is ហើយនឹង are ជាកិរិយាសព្ទ to be ដូច្នេះសូមស្វាគមន៍បងប្អូនចូលរួមសិក្សាជាមួយខ្ញុំ Please welcome everyone to join my lesson. Number 1 is used when speaking of one person, place, thing. Number 1 លេខ1 is ត្រូវបានគេប្រើនៅពេលដែលការនិយាយស្ដីចំពោះមនុស្សម្នាក់កន្លែងមួយវត្ថុមួយ Okay, is used only talking about one person, one thing, or one place only for a singular. So we use is. ហ្នឹងហើយដូច្នេះពាក្យថាកិរិយាសព្ទ is ហ្នឹងយើងប្រើតាក់ទងទៅនឹងមនុស្សម្នាក់កន្លែងមួយឬក៏វត្ថុមួយតែប៉ុណ្ណោះទេយើងមិនប្រើជាពហុវចនៈទេ Okay, let's go to the next page. Number 2 are is used when speaking of more than one person, place, thing. លេខ2ត្រូវបានគេប្រើនៅពេលដែលការនិយាយស្ដីពីមនុស្សច្រើនជាងម្នាក់កន្លែងនានាឬក៏វត្ថុផ្សេងដូច្នេះលេខ2ហ្នឹងគឺកិរិយាសព្ទ to be តែជាពហុវចនៈកាលណាយើងប្រើពហុវចនៈកិរិយាសព្ទគឺវាទាក់ទងទៅនឹងពហុវចនៈនៃមនុស្សច្រើនជាងមួយកន្លែងច្រើនជាងមួយឬក៏វត្ថុនានា Okay, let's go to the next page. Number 3, exception. Use are with you. Okay, use are with the pronoun you has an exception because you could be plural and you could be singular. So in using the pronoun you with are have an exception. Okay. លេខ3ការលើកលែងនេះគឺពេលណាយើងប្រើកិរិយាសព្ទជាពហុវចនៈជាមួយនឹងសព្វនាមឯកវចនៈជួនកាលវាពហុវចនៈជួនកាលវាឯកវចនៈដូច្នេះមានការលើកលែងក្នុងការប្រើកិរិយាសព្ទ to be are. Okay, នៅពេលប្រើកិរិយាសព្ទ are ជាមួយនឹងសព្វនាម you មានការលើកលែងដូច្នេះហើយ let's go to the next page how we gonna use all of these three parts. Okay, let's go. Examples. Number 1, line A, John is a banker. John is a banker. John ជាភ្នាក់ងារធនាគារមួយរូប Line B, the cat is running toward me. The cat is running towards me. ឆ្មាកំពុងរត់តម្រង់មកខ្ញុំ C, the river is calm. The river is calm. ស្ទឹងគឺស្ងប់មានន័យថាទឹកស្ទឹងស្ងប់ស្ងាត់វាអត់មានខ្យល់អត់មានរលក Okay, John is a singular, only one person, so we use the verb to be is with John. Okay, and the cat also is a singular noun, we use is, and the river also is a singular thing, so we use is instead of are. Okay, this all that we're talking about is a singular verb used with a singular third person or singular thing or singular animal. Okay, let's go to the next page. Example number 1 D line D The wind is blowing The wind is blowing ខ្យល់កំពុងបក់បោក E This glass is broken This glass is broken កែវនេះគឺត្រូវបានបែក F line F This book is interesting This book is interesting សៀវភៅនេះគួរជាទីចាប់អារម្មណ៍ G That is home That is home លោកឪពុកគាត់នៅផ្ទះឬក៏ឪនៅផ្ទះ H line H Breakfast is ready Breakfast is ready អាហារពេលព្រឹកគឺរួចស្រេចហើយ Line I Charlie is talking on the phone Charlie is talking on the phone មានន័យថាស្ត្រី Sally នឹងកំពុងតែនិយាយទូរស័ព្ទ Okay so all the letter written in red color is a singular verb to be used with a singular object, singular thing, and singular person. The wind is thing, okay? The wind is thing. So we use is because the wind is a singular uncountable noun. So we use a singular verb to be. And line E, this glass is a thing. So a singular thing, so a third person. So we use is. The glass is broken. Broken នឹងគឺបាក់បែក blowing នឹងគឺកំពុងបក់បោក and interesting នឹងគឺចាប់ចិត្តឬចាប់អារម្មណ៍ Dad is home Dad នឹងយើងប្រែថាឪពុក home នឹងយើងប្រែថាផ្ទះ breakfast នឹងយើងប្រែថាអាហារពេលព្រឹក ready នឹងគឺរួចហើយមានន័យថារៀបចំអាហារ breakfast រួចជាស្រេចហើយ okay breakfast is ready Charlie is the name of the female and it is a singular noun so we use is verb to be is we don't use are Charlie is talking on the phone Sally កំពុងនិយាយទូរស័ព្ទ on the phone talking on the phone គឺកំពុងនិយាយទូរស័ព្ទ Okay let's go to the next page Examples number 2 We're talking about plural now we're talking about are that use a plural verb with a plural subject or okay so they are line A they are coming to dinner They are coming to dinner គេកំពុងតែមកទទួលទានអាហារពេលល្ងាចគេកំពុងមកទទួលទានអាហារពេលល្ងាច dinner នឹងអាហារពេលល្ងាច are coming នឹងក៏កំពុងមកដូច្នេះយើងប្រើកិរិយាសព្ទ to be are ជាមួយនឹង subject plural they which is plural subject pronoun they plural មានន័យថាគេកំពុងមកទទួលទានអាហារពេលរសៀលឬក៏ពេលល្ងាចមានពេលរសៀលបងប្អូនពេលរងាចពេលល្ងាច B The questions are easy The questions are easy សំណួរនោះគឺស្រួលងាយស្រួល easy នឹងគឺងាយស្រួល question នឹងគឺសំណួរគឺងាយស្រួល C The men are waiting The men are waiting so the men is a plural noun so we use are instead of is but if you use man man is a singular we use is but this is plural men is a plural noun we use are the men are waiting បរិះទាំងនោះឬក៏បរិះទាំងឡាយកំពុងរងចាំ Line E Jerry and I are eating Jerry and I are eating Jerry ហើយនឹងខ្ញុំកំពុងតែទទួលទានអាហារ Jerry ហើយនឹងខ្ញុំកំពុងតែទទួលទានអាហារ are eating នឹងគឺកំពុងទទួលទានអាហារ Okay Jerry នឹងជាឈ្មោះបរិសឈ្មោះ a male person and I okay Line F The children are playing outside The children are playing outside ក្មេងៗកំពុងតែលេងនៅខាងក្រៅ Children នឹងយើងប្រែថាក្មេងៗ are playing គឺកំពុងលេង outside គឺខាងក្រៅដូច្នេះកាលណា singular we use child is but this is plural we use the children are the subject has to be plural and the verb has to be plural the subject singular we use a singular verb as well okay line G These eggs are cracked. These eggs are cracked. Okay ពងទាំងនេះគឺបែកពងឬក៏យើងនិយាយថាស៊ុតមាន់ស៊ុតទាហ្នឹងគឺវាបែក crack it ហ្នឹងគឺវាបែកបាទ Okay and eggs គឺស៊ុតThese ទាំងនេះដូច្នេះ these eggs is a plural so we use a plural verb to be which is are let's go to the next page example number 3 we're talking about exception លេខ3ហ្នឹងយើងប្រើអំពីការលើកលែងជាមួយនឹងប្រធាន you នឹងជា subject pronoun which have an exception to use with are which is a singular sometimes could be a plural most of the time it's a singular line A you are the only person I know you are the only person I know អ្នកមានតែអ្នកម្នាក់ប៉ុណ្ណោះដែលខ្ញុំដឹងonly យើងបកថាប៉ុណ្ណឹងឬក៏ប៉ុណ្ណឹងឬតែមួយដូច្នេះ you are the only person I know មានតែអ្នកម្នាក់ប៉ុណ្ណោះដែលខ្ញុំស្គាល់ I know នឹងខ្ញុំស្គាល់ Okay only one person only person មានន័យថាមនុស្សម្នាក់ប៉ុណ្ណោះ Okay line B you are taller than Tom you are taller than Tom that's mean singular okay មានន័យថាអ្នកឯងនឹងខ្ពស់ជាង Tom okay this is singular we use subject pronoun you with are which is exception this is a singular okay line C you are late today like you come to school or you come to work is not on time you late so you is a singular used with the plural verb to be you are late today អ្នកមកយឺតថ្ងៃនេះមានន័យថាយើងមកធ្វើការឬមកសាលាមិនទាន់ពេលវេលា line D you are coming towards me you are coming towards me okay line D ហ្នឹងគឺមានន័យថាអ្នកឯងកំពុងតែមកតម្រង់ខ្ញុំ towards me មកតម្រង់យើងដើរតម្រង់មកតម្រង់យើងឬក៏មកតម្រង់យើង you គឺអ្នកឯង are coming កំពុងមក towards me តម្រង់ខ្ញុំ me ខ្ញុំ towards តម្រង់ okay let's go to the next page okay our lesson finished so next Monday we'll learn about isn't and aren't okay if you would like to know or you would like to learn please welcome for the next Monday lesson we're talking about isn't and aren't which is a negative of verb to be okay មេរៀនយើងបានចប់ឲ្យបងប្អូនថ្ងៃនេះថ្ងៃក្រោយយើងនឹងសិក្សាជាមួយគ្នាម្ដងទៀតនៅថ្ងៃច័ន្ទសប្តាហ៍ក្រោយស្ដីអំពីបដិសេធ isn't ហើយនឹងបដិសេធ aren't which is the verb to be កិរិយាសព្ទ to be ដែលមានជាបដិសេធគឺ negative ដូច្នេះសូមអញ្ជើញស្វាគមន៍បងប្អូនចូលរួមសិក្សាបើបងប្អូនមានចំណាប់អារម្មណ៍សិក្សាអំពី negative isn't and aren't how we gonna use it តើយើងប្រើវារបៀបណាខុសប្លែកនៃរបៀបណាសូមបងប្អូនអញ្ជើញចូលរួមសិក្សាជាមួយខ្ញុំនៅថ្ងៃច័ន្ទក្រោយ Okay everyone you have a good day and I will see you then នឹងឲ្យសុខសប្បាយអ្នកគ្នាខ្ញុំជួបគ្នានៅថ្ងៃច័ន្ទខាងក្រោយជម្រាបលា